Now, the next letter is Ayin. Ayin. How to pronounce this letter? Ayin. Ayin for atrun. Atrun means perfume. Ayin for ainun. Ainun means eye. Ayin for asfurun. Asfurun means sparrow. Ayin for asalun. Asalun means honey. Ayin for atrun means perfume. Ayin for ainun means eye. Ayin for asfurun means sparrow. Ayin for asalun means honey. How to write Ayin? Like this. Now, the next letter is Ghain. Ghain is the next letter of our Arabic alphabet. How to write Ghain? See, exactly like Ayin with a dot. Like this. Now, let's see the words with Ghain. Ghain for Ghaimun means cloud. Ghain for Ghiza'un means food. Ghain, Ghain for Ghazalun means gazelle. Ghain for Ghurfatun means room. Ghain for Ghaimun means cloud. Ghain for Ghiza'un means food. Ghain for Ghazalun means gazelle. Ghain for Ghurfatun means room. Okay? Next is Fa. This is Fa. How to write Fa? Like this with a dot. Okay? This is Fa. Fa for Filfilun means pepper. Fa for Finjanun means cup. Fa for Famun means mouth. Fa for Filun means elephant. Okay? Fa Filfilun pepper. Fa Finjanun cup. Fa Famun mouth. Fa Filun elephant. Alright, so the next letter is Qaaf. This is Qaaf. Okay, how to write Qaaf? With two dots. Okay, now words with Qaaf. Qaaf, Qamarun means moon. Qaaf, Quflun means lock. Qaaf, Qalbun means heart. Qaaf, Qalamun means pen. Okay, let's repeat. Qaaf for Qamarun means moon. Qaaf for Quflun means lock. Qaaf for Qalbun means heart. Qaaf for Qalamun means pen. Okay, next letter is Kaaf. How to write Kaaf? Very easy. Like this. Like this. Okay? This is Kaaf. The words with Kaaf are Kaaf for Kursiyun means chair. Kaaf for Kalbun. Kalbun means dog. Kaaf for Kitabun. Kitabun means book. Kaaf for Kubun. Kubun means glass. Okay, let's repeat. Kaaf for Kursiyun means chair. Kaaf for Kalbun means dog. Kaaf for Kitabun means book. Kaaf for Kubun means glass. Alright. Now, we have to practice these words. You can pause the video and try doing it yourself. Okay, the first picture is of Pepper. Do you remember the word for pepper? Filfilun. Fa for filfilun. Next we have I. Aynun with ayn. Okay. Next picture is a food. Remember the word for food? Ghiza'un. Very good. Ghain for ghiza'un. Next picture is of a dog. Do you remember the word for dog? Kalbun. Kaaf for kalbun. Next we have a picture of heart. Remember the word for heart? Qalbun. Qaaf for qalbun. Now you see, this is Kaaf and this is Qaaf. This is kalbun. This is qalbun. Do you see the difference? Do you hear the difference? Kaaf, Qaaf. Kalbun, qalbun. Okay. Next we have gazelle. Do you remember the word for gazelle? Ghazalun. Ghain for ghazalun. Next we have honey. Asalun. Ayin for asalun. Next we have elephant. Feelun. Fa for feelun. Next we have lock. Quflun. Qaaf for quflun. Next we have a chair. Kursiyun. Kursiyun with kaf. Then we have a room. Ghain for ghurfatun. Then we have a book. Kaaf for kitabun means book.